Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Is your Hisense TV driving you crazy by randomly turning off? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I've got the solutions to fix it. In today's video, we'll cover the most common causes of this issue and how to resolve them step by step. So, grab your remote and let's get started. First, let's quickly go over why your Hisense TV might keep shutting off. Common reasons include overheating, power supply issues, incorrect settings, firmware glitches, faulty hardware. Understanding these causes will help us tackle the problem efficiently. Solution 1. Check the power connection. Let's start with the basics. Check your power connection. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall socket. Avoid using a faulty power strip as that can cause interruptions. If possible, try plugging the TV directly into a different wall outlet. Solution 2. Adjust energy settings. Sometimes, your TV's energy-saving features can cause it to turn off unexpectedly. Here's how to fix that. 1. Press the menu button on your remote. 2. Go to settings greater than power greater than sleep timer and turn it off. 3. Check if auto power off or eco mode is enabled and disable them if necessary. These settings are designed to save power but can be a nuisance if misconfigured. Solution 3. Check for overheating. Your TV might be overheating. Ensure the ventilation slots aren't blocked and clean any dust buildup around them. Place the TV in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources. If the TV feels excessively hot, unplug it and let it cool down before turning it back on. Solution 4. Update firmware. A software glitch could also be the culprit. Updating the firmware can help. Go to settings greater than system, greater than software update on your Hisense TV. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping your firmware updated ensures your TV runs smoothly and eliminates bugs. Solution 5. Factory reset. If none of the previous steps worked, you might need to reset your TV to its factory settings. Here's how. Press menu on your remote and go to settings greater than device preferences greater than reset. Choose factory data reset and confirm. Keep in mind, this will erase all your settings, so you'll need to set up your TV again from scratch. Conclusion. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps solved your Hisense TV's annoying habit of turning off. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.